Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be talking about my TBR for Victober. So Victober is a challenge that started years ago, but I did it for the first time fully last year. And I think I read about 6 books and I enjoyed it. But I did have quite a few books that I didn't get to, and I want to just get to those books for this challenge. Now this challenge is hosted by several people, so I'll post all that in the description. But here is theme. So we have read a Victorian work featuring a stranger outsider. I think I have one book that may fall in that. Read a piece of Victorian New Woman fiction. Still don't understand that New Woman fiction story. But read a Victorian work by an author who's new to me. I think I have one. And read a Victorian first person narrative. Read a Victorian work in which class features strongly. So there is a group book. Not going to get to it because it's huge and I just don't have the time because of all the other books that I want to finish. So so here we go. I need to put a Dickens in there, so I had to. Barnaby, Rich, and this is a historical fiction, guys. Now think about this. It's written in 1800, and to think that this is a historical fiction. Yes, it is set in the 1700s. It has some mystery, suspense, some double murder situation. So I'm excited for this. I think this is going to be fun. And also, you know, I got to get some Dickens in there. And I'm always entertained. I'm a Dickens girl. New to me, I'm familiar with the author because this is the author of Middlemarch, but I've never read anything by the author. So it's new to me. This is George Eliot, and this is Silas Marner. And this is a book that features some kind of religious take of a character who was kind of banished and somebody came in their life and changed stuff. Don't know where it's going, but again, it's not that big. I think I can definitely get through this pretty quickly. Then an author that I'm very familiar with and I love, and this might come into the theme. Which theme I think this might fall into? Maybe a stranger outsider, because it follows 2 women in this kind of community, and a man who is in the comes in the community, and there's something happened. That's what I'm getting. Going to this blind, but I'm excited about this because there are several miniseries and movies on this book, and I'm going to look to see which one had the best rating and do a book to movie adaptation. So I'm going to read it and then watch the movie, and so I'm excited for this. And again, I love Elizabeth Gaskell. She just always writes books that I enjoy, so I'm here for it. Then I always try to find some African American or black author that was published during the Victorian time. Very difficult. Last year I got lucky. I found 2. This year I found 1, and I was highly disappointed and upset when the book did come. So this is Minnie's Sacrifice. This is Frances Harper. Now this is set, I believe it was published in 1860 something, 1869. So I opened it just to look for that, and lo and behold, it says, unfortunately, certain portion of this novel are missing from the source text. This includes a portion of chapter 8 and 19, as well as the entirety of chapters 10 and 15. Yeah, the missing portion presumably contain, what am I saying? Some important parts of the plot. Yeah, bitter taste in my mouth. And they're serious when they said that, because this is chapter 15. Yeah, chapter 15. Blank. So chapter 10, of course, blank. So I'm not sure if it's worth reading if we're missing chapters in this. And what's interesting is this is actually a recordable that was turned into a book. So we can see where that could have happened, where things could have been missing. I'm still going to give it a try, but I don't have high hopes for it, and I'm disappointed. I'm hoping that there is a book out there that has everything, but I'm already highly disappointed. So this is a portrait that they have of her, and So yeah, it's a bummer, but it's okay. So we're gonna read it anyway, guys. So I'll leave information in the description. You can check out the other hosts, and they have tons of recommendation. I have not sat down to really watch a lot of them yet, but I'm hoping to at some point, because I need to add more of these interesting classics to my collection. And we're gonna read this. So I see you in the next one, guys. Yeah.